Glucose is your blood sugar, and controlling it should be a must in everyone's daily objectives, since having high glucose can have very serious health implications. Controlling your blood sugar doesn't require cutting-edge supplements or expensive treatments. What if the solution to stable glucose levels was hiding in a fruit most people have never even heard of? In today's video, we're uncovering the secret of a powerful superfruit that has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine and is now backed by modern science for its incredible benefits in managing blood sugar and even preventing diabetes complications. If you've been struggling to stabilize your glucose, this could be the game changer you've been searching for. Welcome to Levitas. How does this fruit benefit blood sugar control? Imagine a single fruit that can lower blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even protect against diabetes-related complications. This isn't a myth. This fruit is real, and its power comes from a unique combination of bioactive compounds. One of its key components is a potent antioxidant called ellagic acid, which helps reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to insulin resistance. Additionally, it's rich in polyphenols and chromium, both of which improve how your body uses insulin. The fruit also contains fiber, which slows the absorption of sugars in the digestive tract, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. Unlike quick-fix solutions, this fruit works holistically. It supports pancreatic function, helping your body produce insulin more efficiently. Plus, it has an anti-inflammatory effect, which is crucial because chronic inflammation is closely linked to both insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. In essence, this fruit doesn't just help manage blood sugar levels, it addresses the root causes of blood sugar imbalances, making it a powerful ally for anyone looking to improve their metabolic health naturally. What's the best way to consume it? The best way to consume this fruit is either fresh, dried, or as a powder. Fresh is ideal because it retains all of its vitamins and antioxidants. However, the powdered form is incredibly versatile. You can add it to smoothies, sprinkle it over salads, or mix it with warm water for a potent tonic. The powdered form also has a longer shelf life and is more concentrated, meaning you can get all its benefits in a small serving. Just 1 teaspoon of powder can deliver the same benefits as consuming the whole fruit. Can it help prevent diabetes complications? Yes, this fruit does more than just regulate blood sugar. It can also help prevent serious diabetes-related complications. One of its standout benefits is its ability to protect blood vessels from damage caused by high glucose levels. High blood sugar can lead to the formation of advanced glycation end products, harmful compounds that damage tissues and accelerate aging. This fruit contains powerful antioxidants that neutralize advanced glycation end products, protecting your brain, eyes, kidneys, and heart, the organs most vulnerable to diabetes complications. Additionally, it's rich in vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessel walls, reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy and neuropathy. Its anti-inflammatory properties also play a role in preventing chronic inflammation, which is a major contributor to cardiovascular diseases commonly seen in diabetics. Moreover, studies show that this fruit can improve lipid profiles by reducing LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, further lowering the risk of heart disease, a common complication of diabetes. What is the #1 fruit for perfect blood sugar control? The #1 fruit for blood sugar control is amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This small green fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients specifically designed by nature to regulate glucose levels and improve overall metabolic health. Amla has one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants among all fruits, particularly vitamin C, which supports insulin function and reduces oxidative stress. Its combination of fiber, polyphenols, and chromium makes it a perfect natural solution for anyone looking to stabilize their blood sugar. How much amla to consume per day? The recommended daily intake of amla varies depending on your health goals. But for blood sugar control, consuming 1 to 2 teaspoons of amla powder or 1 fresh amla fruit per day is typically sufficient. If you prefer the juice form, around 20 to 30 milliliters or about 2 tablespoons of fresh amla juice diluted in water can be highly effective. The powdered form is more concentrated, so a small amount goes a long way. It's best to consume amla in the morning on an empty stomach or before meals to maximize its blood sugar stabilizing effects. The fiber in amla helps slow the absorption of sugar from your meals, preventing post-meal spikes. Consistency is key, so incorporating amla into your daily routine will provide the best results over time. You can rotate between fresh fruit, powder, and juice to keep things interesting while maintaining the same health benefits. Does amla interact with meds? Amla is generally safe, but it can interact with certain medications, particularly those used to manage blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol. When it comes to blood sugar medications, AMLA can enhance the effects of anti-diabetic drugs like metformin, glipizide, or insulin, potentially leading to hypoglycemia. To avoid this, monitor your blood sugar levels closely and consult your healthcare provider before adding AMLA to your routine. Also, blood thinners. AMLA has mild blood thinning properties, so it may interact with anticoagulants like warfarin or aspirin, increasing the risk of bleeding. If you're on blood thinners, consume AMLA in moderation and under medical supervision. It can also interact with blood pressure medications. AMLA can lower blood pressure, so when combined with antihypertensive drugs, it may cause blood pressure to drop too low. Regularly monitor your blood pressure and adjust your intake as needed. To minimize risks, introduce AMLA gradually into your diet and keep your healthcare provider informed about any new supplements or dietary changes. Does AMLA have side effects? While AMLA is considered very safe, consuming it in large quantities or for extended periods can cause certain side effects. Digestive issues, since AMLA is highly acidic, and consuming too much can lead to stomach discomfort, acid reflux, or even diarrhea. To avoid this, start with small amounts and increase gradually. Pairing it with water or consuming it with meals can also help mitigate acidity. Allergic reactions, though rare, some people may be allergic to AMLA. Symptoms may include itching, swelling, or skin rashes. If you experience any of these, discontinue and consult your healthcare professional. Interaction with iron absorption, since AMLA is rich in vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption. While this is beneficial for those with anemia, it may lead to excessive iron levels in individuals with conditions like hemochromatosis. Monitor your iron levels if you consume AMLA regularly. By consuming AMLA in moderation and being mindful of your body's response, you can safely enjoy its numerous health benefits while minimizing any potential risks. In conclusion, AMLA, or Indian gooseberry, stands out as a powerhouse for managing blood sugar and improving overall metabolic health. Its impressive blend of antioxidants, polyphenols, chromium, and fiber makes it uniquely effective at tackling the root causes of glucose imbalances. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting pancreatic function, AMLA offers a natural and holistic approach to blood sugar control. One of the most appealing aspects of AMLA is its versatility. You can enjoy it fresh as a powder or even in juice form. Each method retains its potent bioactive compounds, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. Consuming just one fresh fruit or a teaspoon of AMLA powder daily can yield significant benefits, especially when taken on an empty stomach or before meals to prevent post-meal glucose spikes. Beyond blood sugar regulation, AMLA helps protect against diabetes complications by neutralizing harmful advanced glycation end products, strengthening blood vessels, and lowering LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. However, it's essential to monitor potential interactions with medications like anti-diabetic drugs, blood thinners, and antihypertensives to avoid unwanted effects. While generally safe, starting with small doses and paying attention to digestive comfort can help prevent side effects like acidity or allergic reactions. By incorporating AMLA wisely and consistently, you unlock a powerful ally in your quest for balanced blood sugar and better long-term health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.